Hello, I'm Jonathan Pickering, a research assistant at the School of Chemical and Process Engineering at the University of Leeds. I work on developing software intended to improve the manufacturing of pharmaceutical products such as tablets and suspensions. The main software I'm working on is Visual Habit, which examines the intermolecular interactions in the bulk and on the surface of molecular crystals. It is used to predict crystal properties like morphology, dissolution and mechanical behaviour.
My name is Ian Rossbottom. I'm also part of the School of Chemical and Process Engineering at the University of Leeds. What I work on is looking at models for fundamental atomistic and molecular modelling of the solid state properties of pharmaceutical crystals and also how they behave in contact with fluids so that we can improve how we formulate them into pharmaceutical products. Jonathan and I in particular work closely with the Cambridge Crystallographic Data Centre in the development of the Visual Habit programme and also with the Science and Technologies Facilities Council in the development of molecular dynamics workflow called DL software. So in ADOPT, we're using these computational models to kind of simulate how the molecules interact in the solid state and in the molecular and in the solution state. We use this information to improve the purity, the particle size distribution and the shape of these particles, and if we can do that, we hope to optimize the manufacturing processes associated with these pharmaceutical products.
Simulating the physical chemistry by which crystals precipitate from solutions, how they break and aggregate during processing, we can provide process engineers with the sort of computer-aided design tools and capabilities that their civil and mechanical colleagues have had in their own fields for many years. For industry, this will allow a quicker setup of production facilities, fewer production problems and faster correction of issues when they do occur. In the long run, personalised medicines will generate demand for treatments formulated for individual patients. When this happens, our software will be there to aid the pharmacists.
What the molecular modelling can do is simulate things you can't see. And when you can do that, you can better understand how you synthesize and isolate your API. When you get that understanding, you're going to be able to manufacture it more optimally and efficiently, bringing costs and time to market down. So what the models do is simulate how the molecules interact in the solid state and in the liquid state, and this can inform the scientists, for example, on which crystallization solvent to use or how the particle shape may impact upon downstream formulation. If things start to go wrong, if you understand the underpinning chemistry behind all your processes, you're going to be able to troubleshoot that a lot more effectively. So using these computational models to design your unit operations should mean you can reduce your experimental testing, which is very time consuming and expensive API consuming. And you can also streamline development, all helping to crucially reduce that cost and time to market. So the Visual Habit programme is being embedded into the TCDC's Mercury platform, and we hope to release this to the wider community as soon as possible. If anyone wants any more information, please contact myself or Jonathan, or also Robert Hammond and Kevin Roberts, who are also at the University of Leeds. In terms of the Molecular Dynamics DL software, that is available on the CCP5 website. So anyone wishing to get a license for those programs need to follow the links on the CCP5 website or alternatively contact Ilian Todorov at the STFC.